Hello everyone, my name is Kenny Backley, and I am going to be showing you the newest update to my capstone prototype game, Peritia Aurum Training Ground. So basically the new update starts off with funds! Look at that, new funds. Okay, yeah, I saw this like just before I did this, and I'm like, no! But it's of course a small fix, hey, no problem about that. Yeah, basically, exit, control, start game. We're actually going to start the game right now. Those lights, I have no idea what those are, but just off main menu, it's still under some brush right now. Anyways, what I'm about to show you basically about the area. Basically, the character can do punches. That was in update 1.4. And you can also punch the train dummies, and they properly react. Yeah, I know he's pretty wimpy punches, but I mean, he's also starting off his adventure. He's not going to be a full combative guy. Now, I'm not going to show you the other new feature though for this update. Look at this, the book. It can probably be fully accessed. Yeah, what the hell? Okay, so there we go. So yeah, so you can now basically. Alright, so time to open up this. Activating, debugging. Basically, what I've now, first off, you can look for the pages now. You can look for the pages. Oh my god, you are not being friendly with me today. So you can look for the pages. So this is the first pages, and you keep going. That will be a blank page, and you just can't go to infinity with these buttons. So books, being able to look through books, all done, which is great. However, now comes the hard part. But first off, let's bring up the blueprints right now. You can store page data by clicking on them, and it responds properly. You click on the right page and you can store data that's on the right page, and you can't store data on the left page, and the selected right page's data becomes the collected page data and goes through these. This is how it's selected. Goes through all that and stores to the right page, or if it's on the left page, it stores to the left page, and there from the collected page information you click collect page, it goes through here. Though, yeah, this is probably going to stay, because I was originally thinking, I don't need this, but it probably will be needed for future stuff. But yes, collect page, and it goes, prints out the information that will be changed later. And this is going to be replaced later with actually being able to transfer this data to the player character and the player's inventory pages. I press P and ta-da! It's basically this would then be full of thumbnails of the pages. This would be the information the pages are on, and this would be the page itself. That is, if I knew how to figure this out. And that is currently where I am stuck at. If I can get this done, I can then just wrap this all up and get onto the final touches for the game. So, yeah. What I need to figure out, though, is how to take... Well, alright, actually, before I get onto that, this data, this information, these names, come from this data table, which stores the data for each book. There's going to be another book for archery that I forgot to do. That'll be added next week, but it's a small thing, so yeah. So basically, that's where all the data pages are stored. The book, from where the page comes from, the entry to the book, how many pages are for each entry, and the pages are numbered accordingly because of that. Is it a quest item? If it is true, it will then trigger that are part of the quest. And the thumbnails, which are going to be where the players can click on them and bring them up right here. Now, I need to remember my focus now. So yeah, I need to be able. I need to take the collected page data from here, and then transfer it through, some type of combination to the pages and the hero. The hero will be able to store its information and toss it away from the remove page button. And yeah, basically that. This is the menu where they can view it. The player stores them. So yeah, this is the problem that I am currently having right now. I've been looking up a lot of tutorials. There's a lot of great tutorials. I'll list them in the update page on what I've been using. But the problem is with so many of these tutorials is that they talk about physically grabbing something, like I actually interact with this book and take it instead of bringing up a menu and causing the book to I don't want the book to disappear when it is interacted with. I want to open up the menu and then take something non-physical. The problem is all these tutorials want me to actually pick up something physical, but I want to be able to grab something that's not physical, sort of like a shop, except I'm not actually paying money. So yeah, that's currently the problem I am facing and that I need to get fixed. Once that's done, I can then get onto the quest system and finish the game up and then do just other stuff. So that's me ranting and asking for major help. Beyond that, I am really loving the flame effect that I purchased. Well, along with the punch effect. It was from a marketplace, a thing on the marketplace for the Unreal Engine, and I am sick and tired of that damn red light. Why? Whatever. It's probably just something small. Something the same thing. I'm hoping to also, if I have the time, have it so that the books only glow when the player is actually nearby them. And I have a tutorial available for that, but with what needs to be done, that might have to wait for later. So right now, we're just going to walk about, do a few things. If I can't find an immediate solution to my current problem, what instead I'm going to do is I'm going to start updating this area. Start adding some holes and breaks and stuff around here, because yeah, it looks so clean. I mean, it's like on a mountain, and there's stuff around. It reminds me, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to add a mountain in the background over there. So yeah. But yeah, this place needs to be roughened up some. So if I can't find a solution next week on to do that, I'm going to create the I'm going to start roughing up the area. Also, all of the prototypes not prototypes, the images for the intro video are done. My partner did them, and she's currently working on a promotional poster for the game for me to hang up around the place. I will also be doing that next week and hopefully uploading it to the game. So when I press start game, it plays that first, and then the player can enter the arena and stuff. Yeah. Man, I am just befuddled by this stupid problem, because I may not be a programmer, but I've done pretty well with myself right now. I got this all to work, and I got the programming to work for that, and also the character animations and some of the effects. I'm just befuddled right now. So yeah, that again, as I said previously, I need this. All this right here to be able to transfer all this data to my simple hero, which will then go to my inventory page menu. But I gotta do it without taking the book physically. That's not how it works. I want it to be like a game, like a digital store, like you spend in-game currency or whatever. Yeah, just like a store, so that I don't have to buy the pages. That'd be really weird. Having to actually, I mean, if this did get an expansion, or like it worked out more, and I was able to add like upgrades and stuff, maybe the player could have more pages that they could like buy, like as a new, like you can now store more pages. But yeah, that is definitely not for now. Oh yeah, I forgot. So gotta, yeah. Woo! Camera! And press V and looking all about the place. And this immediately snaps back to the player once I press V again. So yeah. And lastly, yeah, I gotta update this so there's like an actual, instead of just empty space and shit. But no, the main thing I gotta do, get the book working so I can just transfer the data to the player and have the ability to then take out that data. So yeah, if you can help me with this, that would be totally, totally awesome. So yeah, I shall see you later in the next update. This has been Kenny Backley, and I am out of here.